Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for joining. Existing subscriber, thank you for staying with us. So in today's video, I want to show you how to cut this simple shirt. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is to is to fold your fabric into two, and then you mark out the length of your shirt. Okay, now at the center front, you mark 2 inches just like I'm doing. Okay, and you rule a straight line. This is where your button hole and your button is going to sit. Okay, now the next thing you will do from that point that you've already marked, you mark your shoulder divided by two. Okay, then you mark your chest line. To get your chest line, all you have to do is to divide your round chest divided by 6 plus 1.5. Okay, now the next thing you will do from the top, okay, is to mark 2 inches inward. These 2 inches that I'm marking right now is for the shoulder slope. Okay, this is where I'm going to take out my shoulder slope and my neck width and depth. All right, now I extend the lines like so. After doing that, the next thing I will do now is to mark my round chest. You can use your round chest or the largest part of your body to take this measurement. Make sure to add 2 inches for same allowance. Okay, now I want this shirt to have a bit of curve, so I'm going to indicate my chest, my waist, the waistline, and mark the waist divided by 4 plus 2 inches seam allowance. On at the hemline, I'm using the hip divided by 4 plus 2 inches seam allowance. Okay, so now I've gone ahead to add extra half inch for joining of the um, armhole. Okay, now I'll just rule a curve like so. Can you see? Make a curve like so. The next thing I am going to do now is to connect from this point to this other point. That is for my shoulder slope. Okay, and then I'll just mark it, rule a line, and connect with one another. Okay, like I'll connect all my markings together. Now the next thing I'll do here is to divide. I came up by the side, okay, by 2.5 inches, and I divided it, and the middle point I made this curve. Okay, now the next thing you do now is to cut the neck, and width I use for the front is 2 by 2 inches. Okay, the width and the depth. So now we'll cut it out. Now let's go ahead to cut out the back. Cutting out the back is very easy. All you need to do is to fold your fabric into two and place it. This side that you have these 2 inches, let it be on the center back. Okay, now on from your shoulder, you come up by 3 inches or 2.5 inches, depend, and mark it. Make sure to measure it following the slope that you have. Okay, then the next thing you do is to connect it to your armhole. Okay, you connect it to your armhole, and you connect this point like so. For the neck, back, the back neck, I'm using 1 inch. Can you see? 1 inch, 1.5, and I'll make a curve just like so. It is very easy to mark, to draft this back. The back is the easiest. So if you find this video helpful, if you have watched up to this point, you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so YouTube can notify you, or you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so let me just finish cutting this, and this is the end for today's tutorial. So if you want to see the joining of this, if you want me to upload a video on how to sew this, drop a comment. Okay, let me know on the comment section. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.